Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can get this really simple and easy makeup look right here. This look literally takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to do. It's perfect for someone who has to rush out the door, who has to run out, who woke up late and is like, oh shit, I need to put on my face and makeup and go. This is the look that is perfect for that. Before I begin with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you guys to join my family here on the internet. Also, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video.
Alright, so let us get started. I'm going to be putting on the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Primer, and this is my makeup base. This acts like a tinted moisturizer for me. It's very moisturizing to the face, but it does have a little bit of a tint to it, so I will get some coverage from using this product. I'm just using my foundation brush to blend this into my skin. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 60 to conceal under my eyes and a little bit around my mouth. This concealer is the same shade as my skin, so I'm not really going for that bright highlighted look. I'm going for a more concealed, covered look, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. I'm going to use this to set my entire face, and I'm not going to be using a brighter powder under my eyes because, again, this is just a normal everyday easy look. I'm not doing that highlight conceal thing today. Then I'm going to be filling in my brows just using really light strokes of the Davis pencils. I'll first use the brown one to fill it in, and then I'll be using the black one just to darken the edges just a little bit. Then I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, blend that out because that's going to be the base of the eye look. We're not even doing a really serious eye look. All I'm going to do is take the House of Tara Flawless Finishing Powder in the shade TS07, and I'm going to use this all over my eyelid to give me that kind of glowy look, glowy lit from within look. Really simple, really easy, and straight to the point. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and I'll be applying this to my top and bottom lashes. To highlight the rest of my face, I'm going to go back to the House of Tara Flawless Finishing Powder, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and also highlight my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. It's a very light highlight, so it doesn't show up, but it's perfect for those no makeup days. Then I'm going to take my powder brush and just give myself like a light layer of powder just to make sure everything is nice and set. For my lips, I'm going to start off using the Zara Cosmetics lipstick pen in the shade Muse, possibly my favorite nude lip pencil slash lipstick. It's really, really nice, and I really like the color of it. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Old Girl On lipstick that I have. I don't even remember the name. I'm just going to dab a little bit of it on my lips and then smack my lips and blend everything together. And then to set everything, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Makeup Locking Spray and wait for it to dry, and that is it for the look.
And that is it, guys. This is a really easy, simple, glowy look. My face looks really nice and glowy. It's like covered, but it's not covered. My brows do look wonky, but I really don't care. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you and I truly, truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!